Welcome back everyone to the Cobra Trading channel where we focus on people, passion, and platforms. I'm Alex Bustos, and today we're going to be diving into VWAP, an indicator that's very popular, and we want to make sure that you can use it properly. Let's get started. VWAP stands for volume weighted average price. One way that traders look at VWAP is they see it as the area where the majority of buyers have bought. So in this case, if you look at AMC here on the chart, the majority of buyers have bought in the $50 area. And that leads me to the first way that traders will use this. They see it as an indication of who's in control. So in this case, the bulls are in control because it's above the VWAP area. If it was the reverse, like at this moment right here on the chart, you can see we dip under it slightly for just some time. The bears are in control. Now keep in mind, it doesn't matter if you have VWAP on your charts or not. It's not going to make you a profitable trader. Just understand, no indicator will make you successful. Use them as guides. The second way that traders will use these is the mean reversion play. Meaning, if a stock overextends itself to the upside and gets very far away from VWAP, they'll use it as an indication to short it to come back to the mean, in this case, VWAP. And they'll use it in the reversal way as well. So if this was coming down and was completely crapping out, they would dip by it with the idea of selling back to the VWAP area. So you can see it doesn't work perfectly. You can see when it spiked to 73, it came back down towards VWAP, but only to 55. And at the time, it was at 50. So if you were to hold this with that idea and just thought VWAP is going to be the way I'm going to be successful, you will have a headache. So understand they're just guides. Understand that. The other way that people will use this is a bias switch. So if you are long AMC in the morning, you see it in the morning, we're bullish, we're above VWAP. Let me zoom in for you. You'll see right here in the morning, if you were bullish, you were fine. If you're using VWAP as an indication of who's in control, the bulls were. But at this moment, at 1040, we crack under, try to retest and go back under. People will use that as a bias switch and say, you know what, I may want to get out of my position. I may want to be cautious if I'm long, or I may want to short. There's different ways you can use it. So keep in mind, as you play with VWAP, put it on your charts and just have it there. Don't use it to make you take or get out of a trade. Just have it sit there, trade the way you normally trade. And over time, you'll start to notice things when you see VWAP at certain areas. And then over time, you'll be able to determine how you want to use VWAP. Now you have a better understanding of what VWAP is and how you can possibly use it in your own trading. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to any of us at cobratrading.com and make sure to like and subscribe to the channel because we will have more content coming your way.